Hello everyone! Bali ito po ang ating mga ingredients. Gagawa po tayo ng spare ribs with tomato sauce recipe. Ayan guys. So let's start. Itong spare ribs pork is na-marinate ko siya ng ground pepper, salt, and cornstarch. And then, i-deep fry muna natin siya. Ito yung una nating iluluto. Ayan guys, mainit na ang mantika. Maraming mantika nilagay ko. Yung iba, mas marami pa nga eh. Pero ito yung katamtaman sa akin. And then, let's fry. Ayan. Iluluto muna natin ng spare ribs. Malinis ang kamay ko guys. Kasi kailangan pag nagluluto talaga is malinis ang kamay. Ilagay lahat natin. And then, let's fry and fry. So, i-medium fire ko lang siya. And then, we make halo-halo so that ang kanyang pagkaluto ay even cook the pork ribs. Let's start cooking garlic and ginger, red onion, ilagay ko na rin dito yung green onion, yung spring onion yan. Then, ilagay na rin natin ang tomato. Siyempre, pagkakay tayo dito na 1 tablespoon of sugar. Bali dalawa, tablespoon ng lalito. Right? And half spoon ground pepper. Maglagay din ako ng Chinese wine. So, naglagay ako ng half tablespoon Chinese wine. Tomato paste, 4 tablespoon. Oyster sauce. Maglagay ako ng 2 tablespoon here. Yan. And syempre, haluin na natin. Ayan. Nilagay ko na yung pork spare ribs. Wait po nating medyo lumapot ang water niya. Last ingredients ko is sesame oil seed. 1 tablespoon. Yan. This is the last touch, final. Ooh, so yummy. Ayan. Soon we will be served. Ayan, it's done already yan. Ready to serve. Yes. Thank you for watching. Kung bago ka sa aking channel, please support me by subscribe and like and comment. Thank you at sana nagustuhan nyo. See you sa next video.